irrational equation to solve for x, let's start by diving into what is a rational equation before coming to irrational equation. Irrational is in the form of the square root of a is equals to c, or square root of b is equals to c, something like that. But when we have square root of a plus square root of b is equals to c, like in this equation, that is an irrational equation. Okay, let's take a look. A lot of you just jump to solve for the value of x directly by sending this on this side and squaring both sides to have for the value of x. That is not too bad, but let's take a dynamic or standard way of solving this. First of all, let's take a look at this. For square root of x plus 4 to be real, x must be what? Must be between negative 4 and infinity, so that this square root should be greater than or equals to 0. Because if you have a negative, like negative 5 here, this will be negative square root of negative 1, that is complex, and it's not in the set of real number because we are working in the set of real numbers. Don't forget that. Hence, okay. We are first of all going to find the range of value for this to exist and for this also to exist. Okay, for this to exist, for x to be greater than or equals to, for this square root to be greater than or equals to 0, x must be what? X must be from the range negative 4 to what? Plus infinity. And we open. And for this other side, x must be in the range what? That is 1, because 1 minus 1 is 0. The square root of 0 is 0. Okay, that will be from 1 up to what? Plus infinity. That is already the range of value of each of them. That's good. The next thing to do is now to find the point of intersection, so that it should be the general set of range, the range of value for both of them. You can plot this on the number line, and you have what? Negative for the lowest, you have a 1, and you have an infinity here. Okay, for negative 4, for the first one is from negative 4 to infinity. You start shading from negative 4 to infinity. And on this other side, you have from 1 to infinity, hence, that is from 1, we shade here. That's from 1 to infinity. Hence, the range of value of x finally will be what? From 1 to infinity. And we open. That is the final range of value of x. Hence, the value of x for to that satisfy this final equation must be within this range. If you have a negative 1 here as an answer of x, means you have already failed this question. Okay. Let's then solve it using the normal method. We have for the square root of x plus 4. We bring this one on this side to have equals to 1 minus square root of, that would be 1 plus, okay, square root of x minus 1. And this time we can square both sides, adding a square here and adding a square here. If you square this side, you are going to have what? X plus 4 automatically as a positive part. Then to square this other part, I know you are going to be squaring, but you can use a basic principle, that is a plus b, all that square is equals to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, using this formula, you can apply it here to have the answer. Our a is 1. That will be 1 square plus what? B square, that is x minus 1, plus what? 2a, that is 1. That will be 2 times the square root of x minus 1. You see that using this formula is quite easy to solve it. And you are having this as our answer, as our point at this point. Okay. From here we can bring everything related to x on this side to have what? This x and this x will cancel automatically, this and this will cancel. We have 4. This and this will give what? This one and this one will cancel to have a 0. Hence, you are going to be having what? 4 is equals to what? 2 root of x minus 1. You can divide everywhere by these 2 to have what? And invert, because a, if a is equals to b, b is equals to a automatically. Hence, we can invert this point to have what? Divide 2 by 2 first. You have x minus 1 is equals to what? A2. Exactly. Hence, x minus 1, and square both sides. X minus 1 will be equals to a 2 squared, that is equals to 4. Hence, x is equals to 4 plus 1. That will be equals to 5. that is our final value of x that satisfies this equation. Okay, and x is with and 5 is within the range 1 and positive infinity. Here is positive infinity, not negative. And that 5 is within this range. Hence, that might be the correct answer at 80%. Let them try proving it by substituting this in here. Okay, you can say 5 plus 4, square root of that will be what? 9. Square root of 9 is what? 3. Minus 5 minus 1, that is what? 4. Square root of 4 is what? That is 2. And 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. And this is the correct answer to this question. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and